guys, it's Wengie.
And Max. And
Candy
Slime
Hugs.
Hugs. What?
So today we have another challenge for you.
Ooh, what is it?
We're doing a challenge series on this channel, and of course you guys can get involved and suggest challenges that you want us to do down below. But today we're doing a giant candy
versus slime candy
challenge.
That's why I said slime hugs.
Yeah, but you weren't supposed to give it away so early. Today, one of us will be making a giant version of a candy. The other one has to make a slime version.
That's gonna be tricky. How are you making a giant version of a candy?
You never know. We're gonna figure it out.
Vote for who you think wins down below. And at the end of this challenge, whoever makes the candy version has to eat their candy version. So it better taste good as well.
I saw Mia sitting in our like cooking bowl.
Wait, we're gonna eat Mia here.
Alright guys, are we ready? Let's get into it.
Let's go.
Alright, so this is the first round.
What's it gonna
Ooh.
be? 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Skittles! Ooh. Who's doing the giant food Skittle? And who's doing the slime Skittle? 3, 2, 1. Oh!
I guess I'm making the food.
No!
Alright, let's see what we have here. So we got a stove with a pot, some icing, glucose, we have gloves, and some sugar.
Wait, you got gloves? You gonna eat those gloves?
When you're handling food, you should be sanitary.
Alright, well, over here, I've got some glue. I got my activator, some Daiso clay. I guess I'm making a green Skittle. I've got green food coloring as well, so...
Alright, well, let's get making. I'm gonna start off with some icing.
Oh, dude, you got enough of it there? What the heck? Oh.
Ooh, that don't sound good.
Wait, do you even know what you're doing? How are you gonna make a Skittle out of that stuff?
I'm gonna be molding it out of the icing sugar.
Oh. Haven't figured out how to open. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Don't do this at home.
Oh, excuse me. A few too many beans this morning. Oh, look at it. It's white. Wait, that smells so sweet. You know what would love those?
What?
Cows. Sorry. I got my animals mixed up. I mean a horse.
No, that's a salt lick.
It's not sugar?
No.
Ah! What is my life anyway? I don't know anything about this world.
Alright, I'm just gonna mold these together.
Are you good?
Yeah.
You know what that looks like? It looks like a robot.
Please save me.
See, I was gonna mold this into a circle, but then I realized it's gonna take too much energy, so I'm just gonna cut out a circle.
Oh, I see. I see what you did. Okay. Lazy hack.
Look at this. How's this for like a rough, giant, middle Skittle?
You know, it's not bad.
You know what it looks like? A very flat marshmallow.
Wow, this is like the most exercise you've ever done.
This is not easy to mold.
Oh, dude, you know what? I made a mistake.
Ooh.
I think I will need to make some more slime after this.
It kind of does look a bit gross.
No, this slime is okay. I needed to make some white slime.
Oh, for the S.
I forgot.
Oh, you forgot.
Dude, this slime looks lit though.
Well, I got some red coloring handy.
Dude, where did you get that from? That red color just came from nowhere.
It's magic. Oh, this is so tiring. Oh, it kind of looks like strawberries and cream.
Nope. That looks like murder scene and Christmas. Dude, my slime's not coming together.
Doesn't look right for some reason.
Sorry, okay, not everyone can be like a slime master.
Alright. Dude, that table is gonna take a year to clean.
Well, luckily, I have a magical gnome. I'm gonna show you what my magical gnome can do.
Oh, okay, what can he do?
Okay.
What?
See, look.
What?
Clean the table for me.
Where do I get one?
I think I need a chopping board.
Are you
Yay!
what? Wait.
Just what I needed.
Look at this. I got it. It's my green goo slime.
It looks very glossy.
Almost like a Skittle, wouldn't you say? Oh, dude, that actually looks good. Well, check out this Daiso clay pressing.
Ooh.
Okay, this is try not to get satisfied. Ooh.
Ooh, that's pretty satisfying.
Oh, excuse me. Oh, look how smooth it looks.
Ooh, we both got plates.
Yeah, I'm making my little white slime that I forgot before. Sorry, white slime.
Okay, I'm now cutting off the excess side icing to make it perfectly round. What do you think about my Skittle now?
Oh, dude, it looks pretty good.
But I'm not finished yet. I'm gonna make some beautiful glazing.
True, I had no idea what the stove was for. I thought it was just like a cute decoration.
Nothing is a cute decoration apart from me.
Wait, you're a decoration?
Sounded better in my head. Alright, so we're gonna put this glucose syrup in this pot.
Dude, I'm so scared about doing this S. I've got one opportunity. Look good.
The sugar in.
Oh, it's not bad.
Oh, that's not bad. That's pretty good. Look at this beautiful red glaze.
Whoa, that looks nice. Oh,
Time to pour.
oh, we're doing it. Oh, Oh my gosh. Dude. Oh, it looks so good. What the heck? Oh, now you're gonna make it S.
All in good time. I kind of feel really nervous because look how perfect this surface is.
You don't want to ruin it.
We're doing it. All right, guys, this is my completed Skittle.
This is my completed Skittle. I think we know whose Skittle looks a little better.
Look how shiny it is.
Wow, it looks so good. Dude, I want to lick it.
No, don't ruin my perfectly mirrored surface. You can see my face in it.
Oh, is it a frightening sight?
It is if I do this.
Hey.
Look what happened to mine.
Oh, it's firm. Wow.
Hey, you know what? I can squash the S on it.
Oh, wow, that looks even better.
Okay, well, how are we gonna eat it?
I don't even know if you're strong enough to cut it through.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Never mind. Oh my gosh.
Can we get the piece out?
Okay, that is a very rubbery textured Skittle. Although real Skittle is probably like that. Oh, dude, are you really gonna eat that?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, okay. Oh, dude.
Hmm?
I'm actually good. I feel like it's gonna be wait.
Tastes like raspberry.
Yeah.
Alright guys, welcome back to round 2. So we don't know what's in this, so let's do the reveal.
3, 2, 1.
Oh! Are these jubes?
I think they're jubes.
What a funny name.
I am going to just put my foot down and say I want to make the candy version, okay?
Let's make it then. Whoa! I got all my equipment, all my slime making gear.
Oh, that's right. You're making slime jubes.
That's right. So I've got some water, clear Elmer's glue, some oil, activator, of course, and then these little like crystal things.
Are these? These are so cute. Well, I got a stove, 4 different colored jellies. I guess we're doing 4 different colors of jubes. And I got my gelatin, got a bowl, some random mystery cups.
Well, it looks like your jellies completely match red, purple, orange, and green. I just realized I don't have food coloring on this table.
Oh!
I'm gonna bring them in. Ready?
Oh. Dude, no fair. You got like a little magical gnome. Oh, I'm missing water. I don't have my mystery gnome to get my water. I've got to get my own water. Okay.
Ooh.
Water is going in.
Maybe I shouldn't have done it so violently. Now there's so many bubbles. That was a bad idea. I feel like I'm missing something here.
What are you missing?
This.
Dude, what is this? No. I'm missing something too. I'm missing... What is this?
Is this what you use to drink water? Doesn't look like it suits you.
I don't know. I don't need this anymore. Dude, I don't know what is going on. First up, I'm gonna pour some of my gelatin in this thing. Oh, this is gross. Guys, this gelatin smells disgusting. Here, smell it. Smell it. Can you smell it?
Oh, that's so
It's gross. Smell it. The
T-shirt over your face.
Toxic fumes are killing me, bro. Wow, are you okay there? Do you need a baby's bib?
The bowl is too small for this much slime.
Are you making the jube in that bowl?
This is the jube. Can you see that this is the jube? Can't you tell that this is delicious candy?
That looks like my nightmare. I'm gonna call upon the sugar lords. Bring me the sugar. This is not sugar. I need some sugar. Oh, I did it!
Yes, my slime is finally activated. Look at that. I need to get this washed. All right, magical gnome. Woo!
All right, close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Okay.
My sugar thing actually made it smell good. You ready?
Okay.
Ready?
Oh! Gross! Oh, look, this kind of looks like a giant jube.
It does.
All I need to do now is mix the colors in.
Check it out. I got my red jelly. It's going in. Popping.
So the first color I'm gonna mix in is red.
Oh, copying me, I see. Got my green. It's popping.
Oh, look at that. Oh, it's bouncy, look.
Oh no!
No!
You almost ruined it.
Oh my god, check out this color. It's like Fanta.
Well, I'm ready to start assembling mine. The red one is going in first. Oh, dude, snap. All right, I've got my first layer done. Wait, I think I need to wait for this to set though.
Oh my gosh!
Oh!
No!
Oh, attack! They're trying to merge.
They're merging.
They're falling in love.
2,000 years later.
Yes, the green is finally finished. Ta-da!
Dude, look at your juice. They're like puddles of happiness.
Well, final touch. So I'm gonna mold it into a square. Wait, what's going on with you?
I'm done, look. Ta-da!
Oh, what?
I got a giant tube. Look at it jiggle. It's pretty cute. Oh, dude. Oh, your tube. There it is. Oh, it's lit.
See that? See?
It looks pretty good. It looks edible. Like, I would eat that if I didn't know any better.
Oh. Do you see that? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Your original one is now like a pancake tube. At least my one is standing upright. You know what I mean?
Where's your sugar sprinkles?
All right, well, you wanted it. You got it. I'm finishing my tube with actual sugar.
Ta-da!
All right, guys, the moment of truth. The taste test. 3, 2, 1.
Gross. Can't believe I'm watching this.
Actually, pretty good. How's my face? Pretty good, pretty good. All right, well, you want to see what's underneath? Let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Oh,
yeah.
no, it's a Ferrero Rocher. Wait, we gotta make a giant one of this? How do we decide who does the candy one and who does the slime one?
Mia decides. So whoever Mia chooses gets to pick what they make.
Mia.
Come to Mama.
Mia.
Mama.
Mia, come to Papa.
I think she was looking at me more.
She's undecided. What?
She's
I
not
thought
moving,
she's
so-
undecided. She didn't
Look,
move.
she's facing my side.
This round is your round then. Mia has decreed without doing anything.
I'm gonna choose the food. I'm gonna make the giant.
Ah, you get to eat the
Ferrero
giant Ferrero Rocher.
Let's bring in the equipment.
Whoa! What the heck is all this stuff here?
I feel like I'm ready to cook. Got
Wow,
some
you're
chocolate
cooking.
cream, got some peanuts.
Well, I just got my boring slime. I guess I'm gonna make a slime Ferrero Rocher. I don't know how it's gonna work.
Alright guys, I'm gonna turn on this stove. Ready? Alright.
Whoa!
So I'm gonna put in the cream first.
Whoa!
Ooh, check this out guys. Look how quickly it melted. I gotta do the second pack
Dude,
of chocolate.
that is a lot of chocolate. Where's mine?
Hey.
Okay, well, while she's doing that, I'm just gonna get my boring brown slime that I can't eat. You know, I'm pretty happy just chilling here making my slime. Who wants to eat all that chocolate anyway? Gross.
Okay.
Time to activate my slime.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
You know how smooth that looks?
Dude, wait, pour it into my mouth if you have any
No,
extra.
you're gonna-
Alright, I'm sliming up. It's becoming a slime. Let's go.
Alright guys, I'm gonna clean this mess up. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh!
Dude, where did it go?
So now all I gotta do is wait for this to cool down.
Dude, that smells so good. You know, that smells like a chocolate brownie. Oh, I know what else it smells like. My dinner.
No.
Do you have like magical powers of freezing as well or something? Don't tell me.
No, just kidding. I'm gonna go put it in the fridge with my magical click. Ready guys?
Dude!
Whoa! Yeah!
What the heck? Wait, you just went into the future.
Well,
oh my
I
God.
need to crush up these peanuts.
Oh my gosh, wait, that was painful. Wait, give me one, wait, give me one. Ow, oh,
Oh!
oh, that went into the back of my throat.
Bullseye! Alright, I'm gonna pour these peanuts into the bowl. It's too hard to crush in the packet, I realize.
Look at my slime jiggle. Time to add in my Daiso clay. Let's go, boy.
Okay, I'm done. I'm tired. Pour them into this plate.
Oh, wait, give me that plate. I just want to put my face in it.
So the next part is actually molding this into a circular ball.
So I've got these foam balls. I guess these are my
Ooh, they're pretty.
peanuts. Have you heard of Salt Bay?
No,
Salt Bay?
it's gonna go everywhere. Don't do that.
Fine. You little party pig. Salt Bay!
Get it away from my chocolate. No!
Oh, dude, that looks so good.
Alright, well then we're gonna go for the peanut dip.
Oh! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wait, you're so messy.
Alright, magical gnome, I need a serving plate. Aha!
Dude, always with the magical gnome.
There we go. We can't show the final thing with all this mess on the table. Magical gnome, clear the table.
Oh, dude.
Now we can present
The slime Ferrero Rocher.
versus the giant candy Ferrero Rocher.
Dude, yours looks so good.
Shall we taste test it now? Mmm.
Oh, you're giving me some? Oh, thank you.
That was so good.
Mmm.
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 Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the challenge. Let us know who won in the comments box down below. Don't forget to vote for each round and who you thought did the best. We're gonna like tuck into this.
Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry, guys.
It's so good.
And don't forget to check out her new music video, Lace Up, on her music channel. We've linked it down below. And now it's time to eat.
Don't forget to follow me on social media, and we'll see you guys next week with a new video. Bye guys.
Bye.
Love you. Mwah.